Unplanned trips are the best. So tignan natin kung saan tayo makakarating ngayon. First stop, lunch here sa Victor sa San Rafael Tarlac. We had hito, sisig, barbecue, and ice cream. Saan kaya maganda pumunta next? Sa Baguio? Sarado pala ang Cannon Road. Syempre pagpapunta kang Baguio may hot tupig. Welcome to Baguio City. Ang sarap ng weather ngayon, ang lamig. First stop here in Baguio, Chocolate de Batirol. Next, yung Mangga sa Mines View. Next, Good Shepherd, kaso lang store closed. Next, early dinner sana sa Farmer's Daughter, kaso lang closed din. Kaya pumunta na lang kami dito sa Tamawan Village. Then dinner dito sa Mang Ed's Bacareta. Next, nandito tayo sa major road ng Baguio, ang Session Road. Nandito rin ang Baguio Cathedral. We end our trip with good dessert here in the famous cake shop in Baguio. We had strawberry tres leches, strawberry shortcake, and ube pastillas ice cream. And that's a day in Baguio. Time to go home.